I'm Raghu Rathore. I'm a CEO with GAdventures. India is a very, very interesting destination. You experience something different every day. The Ganges River experience is when you cruise from Kolkata to Farakka and you explore different villages, different towns, different cities. Most of the villages, it's untouched destinations. We take our travelers to all these off-beaten paths. The Ganges River, it's a river of spirituality. It's a river which gives you life. We have a vast history from north to south, east to west. Every day is a page from history. Basically, when you travel to all these villages, it gives you local feeling, the culture, the attachment. That's what our travelers take back from India, then they spread the word how amazing India is.